Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now I just wanted to wish you a happy new year. Let's hope that 2021 is a lot better than 2020. Now I wanted to start 2021 off with an amazing competition, an amazing bonus pack as well. Now the competition starts today, and in the competition you can win a copy of the AvatarBuilder. Now this is a brand new application from Paul Ponner that launches on the 6th of January. Now on the 6th of January I'm going to give you a full review, full walkthrough so you can see exactly what it does. And also you can win a copy of my amazing bonus pack. Now I've got some amazing bonuses planned for January, February and March. So watch out for those. They're all in the works, they're all getting ready. But for this first bonus pack I have a brand new application called the Auto Content Writer. Now what this does, it takes pre-written templates for video sales letters, Google ads, Facebook ads, emails, allows you to put in a few tags, hit submit, and you get a brand new written piece of content that you can use in your own kind of video sales letters, on your own emails, newsletters, etc. Now, as always, I've got the resell rights as well, so you can resell that as your own. I'm going to give you a sales letter done for you. I'm going to give you banners, graphics, everything that you need to resell that as your own. And on top of that, I've got some very unique bonuses for the AvatarBuilder that no one else has. So if you want to check out a sneak peek and look at the bonuses, check out the page below. If you want to join the competition, just hit the button below, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you comment on the video. That's important. So make sure that you comment on the video. And on the 6th of January, I will pick the winner. So comment on the video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel, because you want to make sure that you're subscribed, because you don't want to miss when I announce the winner on the 6th of January. And also, if you want your free downloads, please check out the page below, go right to the bottom and you find your free downloads there. So thanks for watching, watch out for the next video.